In terms of next steps, firstly, I would encourage you to share what you've learned in this session with colleagues. See what they have to say about this. You may find that some of them have already tried this software or are already customers and are already running it. But the simplest and best way to test velocity is to try it for yourself with your real world workloads. And everyone who's attending today will receive a full copy of the software from Condusiv directly that's worth about £400. I would suggest make sure that you follow the best practice tips that I gave for best results. And really the important thing is to make sure that you leave at least 4 gigabytes of free RAM to cache with. That's 4 gigabytes of available physical memory that's not being used by anything else. And by the way, you're also very welcome to share the dashboard report that the software creates with a Condusiv engineer like me and get additional analysis and get a written engineer's report. The emails that you can see here on the screen will get you directly connected with the lead engineer for each region. So if you're in North America, then use the first one, SRSE1 West. Mine personally is the second one. I'm the Senior Regional Solutions Engineer for the EMEA region. So SRSE EMEA at condusiv.com will come straight through to me. Even if you've just got questions after the presentation, feel free to reach out. So if your organization would benefit from faster storage at a reasonable price using the storage hardware that you already own, I would urge you, please give it a try. You're not going to disrupt any live running workloads. You don't have to make any SQL code changes. Just keep running your workloads exactly the same as you are right now. And really, the whole download and installation will take no more than a couple of minutes. Use the software to not only identify those servers that cause storage I/O issues, but fix those issues at the same time. And if you want to get a hold of a copy of the 30-day trialware, where you can install it on, if you want to, all of your virtual machines, then you can get that from condusiv.com/try.